Welcome to Abdali Grammar School, with another fascinating world of science. Earth's natural resources. Discuss about forest. The area of land that is covered with trees and plants is called forest. You know that forests serve as habitat for too many organisms. Forests are a source of fuel and raw material for medicine, paper, and furniture industries. Forests keep our atmosphere clean and refreshing by carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Let's learn about fossil fuel. Fossil fuel formed from the decomposition of plants and animals from millions of years ago. This is why they are called fossil fuel. Many animal and plant that lived on Earth got buried under the soil rocks, even the seas, due to some natural disaster. Dead organisms change into fossil fuel after passage of 100 years ago. They are actually remains of dead organisms. Here are some examples of fossils fuel: oil, natural gas, coal. Let's learn about coal. Coal is a fossil fuels which release energy when burned. Heat energy from coal is used to make electricity and heating homes. Oil. Oil is used in vehicles for heating and as a fuel for cooking purpose. It is also used as raw material for manufacturing different things in many industries. Our next and last resource is natural gas. Natural gas is a source of energy for heating, cooking, and electricity generation. We will meet with another interesting topic of science. Thanks for watching. Must like and subscribe our YouTube channel.